Hi, this is Drew Taylor with Team Taylor and Remax Southern Homes, coming to you from our newest listing at 1319 Haddon Trail in the Haddon section of one of Hoover's most sought after communities, Ross Bridge. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home is situated over a large unfinished basement that's ready for expansion. It's already framed, plumbed, stubbed, and ready to go, so you can make it whatever you want to. The kitchen behind me, as you'll see, has all the upgrades. Double oven, 5-burner cooktop, the granite countertops, beautiful custom cabinets. This house is really a steal for $575,000, which is the offering price on this home. If you'd like to see more pictures of this home and also the full video, please go to mightybirminghamhome.com, where you can check out all of the latest Hoover listings as well as other listings in the surrounding Birmingham area. Thank you, and be sure and visit 1319 Haddon Trail. It's a great home.